Working on this 2006 Corvette today, trying to get it wrapped up. This car does have the Stage 1 Brian Tooley Racing LS1, LS2 camshaft installed in it. I've got the car pretty much done as far as idle, part, throttle, drivability stuff, and now I'm working on the power pulls, and the car's having a strange issue I believe I have figured out, and you guys that like these kind of diagnosis videos will probably appreciate this one. And before I go too in-depth on this, you guys that don't follow me on Instagram, I hate to ask for stuff like this, but if you could jump over there and give me a follow, because with the state of the world and the things our governments around the world are doing, I don't know how much longer I might be even on this platform. So catch up with me over there, and I would appreciate that. Thank you. Back to the issue at hand. So here's a log from a full throttle pull. We are in open loop speed density, and what I've noticed was you can see this little red, just a dash right there. That is just a hint of knock retard. I've actually pulled a bunch of timing, not a bunch, but a few degrees of timing out of that area because it was having a pretty good jump in what felt like real knock retard. I could actually feel the car cutting out a little bit. So I removed some timing. We've basically eliminated it, but throughout the duration of the pull, I can still feel the car kind of cut out and sputter a little bit. And here's something you can use to kind of corroborate what you think you're feeling. If we look at our oxygen sensor voltages, specifically bank 2 right here, which is this light blue line, you can see these little dips. Everywhere there's one of these dips, I can feel the car cutting out. That's a misfire. So if you guys weren't aware of that, you could see a misfire show up by looking at your oxygen sensor voltage, even if you're in open loop, under full throttle, or the car's not using the O2 sensors. And of course, my mind immediately jumps to, oh God, what did I screw up on this car during the cam swap? I broke a valve spring or